2025 has just started, and now it's your time to learn these top skills to set you up for a successful 2025. In today's video, we're diving into something that's really exciting and could be career changing. These are the top tech skills to learn in 2025. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your career, learning one of these skills or multiple of these skills could be your golden ticket to staying ahead in a rapidly changing environment. So grab a coffee, open your notebook, and let's jump into it. Skill number 1, artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI and ML are literally everywhere. From self-driving cars to personalized recommendations on Netflix, companies are investing billions of dollars into this technology. So learning AI isn't just cool, it's career insurance. And there are a ton of different ways you can start learning these different skills. You could look at tutorials on YouTube, take a course on Coursera or Udemy. You can even find free courses online. Just search MIT free computer science courses. Or look at LinkedIn Learning, Google Careers, free Microsoft courses. Look at practice examples on LeetCodes, or even something like W3 Schools. Basically, there are a ton of different places you can find free resources and free tools to start leveling up your skills. The best place to start is learning Python. Then move on to machine learning libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch. Skill number 2 is cybersecurity. With data breaches happening almost daily, companies are desperate for experts who know how to protect their different systems. And as technology becomes even deeper intertwined within our day-to-day, cybersecurity is at an all-time high. I don't know if you can see the fluffy guy in the background there taking a nap, but he is not into this topic at all. But if you are, please consider liking, commenting on the video, and even subscribing for more. Back to cybersecurity. When it comes to cybersecurity, definitely look at different certifications that you can get. This could be something like CompTIA Security Plus and even Certified Ethical Hacker. Platforms like Cybersecurity and even Pluralsight are excellent places to start for beginners. And as always, those major tech companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, they have a ton of free resources that you can access as well. So just type in cybersecurity Amazon, cybersecurity Google, and you'll find a ton of free resources to, again, start learning these different skills. I'll leave links below where you can find more information on different certifications. The next skill is cloud computing. Cloud computing platforms like AWS, Azure, or even Google Cloud are basically running the entire world. Therefore, learning how to manage or even deploy these different systems is one of the most in-demand skills right now. I'll provide the links below, but there are a ton of different certification courses that you can take. And all these major cloud platforms have their own certification programs that you can take. So if you want to get in with a Google or an Amazon or any company that's using Azure, so the Microsoft-based one, my recommendation is to stick with those certifications first, get those out of the way, and that'll set you up to be a really great candidate when applying for those different roles. And as always, I'll provide the different links below where you can go in order to get more information about these certification programs. The next skill is data analysis and big data. It's going to sound obvious, but big data is, well, big. And companies need experts to make sense of these massive data sets that they have, which lets them use it to make better decisions in the future. Now, AI is going to play a role in analyzing these data sets faster than really any human could. However, the key thing is that if you understand data and you understand how to manipulate it and put it into a position that it's actually useful, as well as how to pull out key insights to it, and then on top of it, know how to use AI to do this as well and even audit the results that AI are providing, you're gonna set yourself up to be so unbelievably skilled and ready for the job market in 2025. Some key skills I would start with is learning things like Tableau, Power BI, and SQL. Then start looking at the different Python libraries. Libraries like Seaborn, Pandas, and Matplotlib are great places to start. And the final skill, extended reality. With the metaverse and immersive experiences growing, AR and VR are becoming must-have skills for developers. If you're interested in this field, then start with programs like Unreal Engine or Unity. And the best part is these platforms have such a big, vibrant community that you can find tutorials all over YouTube, check out their forums. No matter what, you can always find more information on how to use these technologies and ways to get better at them. I'll provide links below. So there you have it. Those are 5 tech skills that I would recommend learning in 2025 in order to set yourself up for literally the best year ever, at least in terms of skills that could help you get a really great job. If you found this video helpful, unlike this guy over here who really, he lives in the moment, and I love that about him. But again, if you found this video helpful, please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.